Have you ever looked at a city and thought, this place has potential, but it's just so chaotic? Well, get ready because Mumbai, India's bustling financial capital, is undergoing a transformation so massive it's almost unbelievable. We're talking about a $60 billion makeover. That's right, 60 billion. This isn't just a few new buildings or a fresh coat of paint. This is a complete reimagining of a megacity aimed at solving some of its most persistent problems and catapulting it into the future. From the world's most congested city to a global model of urban planning, this is the story of Mumbai's epic overhaul. We're going to dive into the jaw-dropping projects, the mind-boggling engineering, and the profound impact this will have on the 20 million people who call this city home. Stick around because what's happening in Mumbai is going to change everything you thought you knew about urban development. Let's start with the heart of Mumbai's daily struggle, traffic. If you've ever been to Mumbai, you know the grind. Hours stuck in gridlock, horns blaring, a sea of vehicles inching forward. For decades, this was just a fact of life. But not for much longer. The star of the show is the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Sea Link, or MTHL. This isn't just a bridge. It's a 22-kilometer-long engineering marvel that stretches across the open sea. Imagine driving for nearly 14 miles over the water. This bridge connects Mumbai's island city directly to the mainland Navi Mumbai. What used to be a grueling 2-hour journey is now a breezy 20-minute drive. This project alone cost over $2 billion and is a game-changer for daily commuters and for the city's economy. It's not just about saving time. It's about unlocking new areas for development, easing the insane population pressure on the main city, and creating a new economic corridor. This is the longest sea bridge in India, and it's a powerful statement of intent. But the Sea Link is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. Let's talk about the coastal road. This is another gigantic project, an 8-lane expressway built on reclaimed land along Mumbai's western coastline. It's about 29 kilometers long, and it's designed to be a green signal-free artery for the city. Think of it as a bypass for the congested local roads. Not only will it slash travel times from the northern suburbs to the southern business district from over 2 hours to under 40 minutes, but it also includes tunnels, interchanges, and even green spaces like parks and promenades. For the first time, Mumbai cars will have a continuous, beautiful waterfront to enjoy, away from the chaos of traffic. The engineering is incredible, involving massive land reclamation and even India's first undersea tunnels. This project is about giving the city its coastline back and making north-south travel a seamless experience. Now you can't talk about transforming Mumbai without tackling its lifeline, the local trains. The Mumbai Metro is the city's answer to its overcrowded colonial-era railway system. The plan is to create a massive network of 14 metro lines, crisscrossing the entire metropolitan region and spanning over 350 kilometers. Several lines are already operational, and the difference is night and day. We're talking air-conditioned coaches, automated doors, and stations that are clean and modern. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in public transport. The metro aims to take millions of people off the roads and out of the dangerously packed local trains, providing a safer, faster, and more comfortable alternative. By connecting previously isolated parts of the city, the metro will integrate Mumbai like never before, opening up job opportunities and making life easier for everyone. When this network is complete, it will be one of the largest and most advanced rapid transit systems in the world. And the ambition doesn't stop at ground level. What about air travel? Mumbai's existing airport is one of the busiest single-runway airports globally, operating at its absolute limit. The solution? An entirely new airport. The Navi Mumbai International Airport is being built from scratch on a massive piece of land. This is a multi-billion-dollar greenfield project designed to handle up to 90 million passengers per year eventually. It's strategically located to be easily accessible via the new Trans-Harbour Sea Link, creating a powerful hub for travel and logistics. The design itself is inspired by the lotus, India's national flower, and it's being built with cutting-edge sustainable technology. This new airport won't just ease the pressure on the old one. It will position the Mumbai region as a premier international aviation hub, ready for the growth of the 21st century. So we have new roads, new bridges, new metros, and a new airport. But what about the heart of the city itself? One of the most challenging and socially significant projects is the redevelopment of Dharavi. Known as one of Asia's largest slums, Dharavi is a city within a city, a vibrant hub of small-scale industries and close-knit communities. but with severely lacking infrastructure and sanitation. For decades, redeveloping Dharavi has been a dream. Now it's finally happening. A multi-billion-dollar plan is underway to transform the area into an integrated modern township. The goal is to provide proper housing with electricity, running water, and sanitation for the nearly 1 million residents, while also preserving the area's unique economic ecosystem. This is an incredibly complex task, balancing the needs of the people with the demands of modern urban planning. If successful, it could become a global model for inclusive urban renewal, showing how you can upgrade a city without displacing its soul. It's about giving people dignity and a better quality of life. All these projects, the Sea Link, the coastal road, the metro, the new airport, and the redevelopment of Dharavi are interconnected. They form a single, cohesive vision for a future Mumbai. A city that is better connected, less congested, more sustainable, and more livable. This isn't just about concrete and steel. It's about improving the human experience. It's about creating economic opportunities, reducing pollution, and giving people back their most valuable resource, time. This $60 billion investment is a bet on Mumbai's future, a declaration that it is ready to take its place among the world's greatest cities. The scale of this transformation is truly hard to comprehend. It's one of the largest urban renewal efforts happening anywhere on the planet right now. Of course, a project of this magnitude is not without its challenges. There are environmental concerns, questions about the displacement of communities, and the sheer logistical nightmare of building massive infrastructure in one of the densest places on Earth. But the momentum is undeniable. The change is happening, and you can see it on the ground. Cranes dominate the skyline, new metro lines are opening up, and travel times are already starting to drop. The Mumbai of tomorrow is being built today. What was once a city bursting at the seams is being re-engineered into a modern, efficient metropolis. The world is watching, and for good reason. The lessons learned here in Mumbai could provide a blueprint for other megacities around the globe facing similar challenges of growth and congestion. This isn't just a makeover, it's a rebirth. Mumbai is building a new legacy, one bridge, one tunnel, and one metro line at a time. The shock isn't just the price tag, it's the sheer audacity of the vision. So, what do you think? Is this $60 billion gamble going to pay off? Will Mumbai truly transform into the world-class city it aspires to be? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. It's a fascinating story of ambition, engineering, and hope for a better urban future. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this look into Mumbai's transformation interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.